Hi everyone, Joe here for another Talk Lingala with Joe, and today we are going to learn how to contract the verb to be and verb to have in Lingala, and obviously would conjugate it. Mbote na biso lelo tokoyekola verbe être na verbe avoir na bokuse nango. Verbe être na verbe avoir na mokuse na anglais. So let's start. I am, Nazali, I'm, Naza, I'm a man, Naza mobali, I am a man, Nazali mobali. You are, Ozali, you are a man, Ozali mobali. Your, Oza, you're a man, Oza mobali. He is, Azali, he's a man, Aza mobali. She is, Azali, she's a woman, she is a woman, Azali mwasi, she's a woman, Aza mwasi. Note, here in Lingala, we use a to talk about both male and female in the third person of singular. So, Azali mwasi, Azali mobali. When it comes to things, it is or it, we use a. Ezali, Eza, it, Eza. It is, Ezali. It is, Ezali. For things. Now we get to the first person of plural. We are, Tozali. Where, Toza. Mibali. Where men, Toza mibali. You are Bozali. Your Boza. Na anglais, you. Deuxième personne ya singulier, you. Na deuxième personne ya pluriel, you. Échange raté. You, ezana soko lingolo bela deuxième personne à singulier na anglais ogoba you. Lingolo bela deuxième personne ya pluriel na anglais pe ogoloba kaka you. Kasi na lingala eza bongo te. Have you noticed the personal pronoun of the second person of plural changes in Lingala? We use bo for the second person of plural in Lingala. The second person of singular is o, but the second person of plural is bo. O, bo. Boza, Bozali. And the third person, ba. They are, Bazali. They, Baza, their girls. Baza bana basi. Their girls. Baza bana basi.